Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. We do lots of unboxings over here, and today we're going to be checking out my Birchbox for October 2024. So if you've never seen a Birchbox before, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. I have had this subscription off and on again for like the last 4 or 5 years. And right now is the best I've ever seen Birchbox. Like, they are actually improving month over month. And I like that you're getting full-size products. You are able to customize your box as well and choose all of the items that you want in your box. If you don't want to customize, you don't have to. You can always choose to be surprised, and they'll just pair you with items based off of your beauty quiz. But they're now starting to send a little bit of makeup. It's still primarily a skincare, hair care box, but they're just starting to send a little bit more makeup for their boxes. And I don't know, I just feel like we need to be watching this. I think they're getting really good. They're not to the level of being a lure yet, but they're on that track. I definitely think this is getting to be really good, even compared to Ipsy and BoxyCharm. So if you guys are interested in trying out this subscription, I will be posting a link down below for you. I also have a 50% off discount code as well. That will work off of your first box. So you can try this out for $15. There's free shipping on it, and then you get a box full of beauty items. Now shipping, I will admit, shipping takes a little while to receive. And I always customize at the beginning of the month. Customization opens up between the 1st and the 3rd of every month. And I log in on the first day, I get my email, I go in, I get it done. And I still feel like it ships to me the very last week of the month. So I don't know why it takes so long, but it does take a few weeks for it to actually ship out. I always have it before the month is over. But I mean, you guys see it's the end of October and here's my box finally. So this is what it will look like inside. You will have a card that just talks about some of the beauty products they have available. They'll give you some tips on beauty as well. And then down below will be all of the beauty choices that I made this month. So first item that I have this month for October is from Dr. B Lab. This is from the Dr. Brandt skincare company. This is the foaming facial cleanser. It is a full-size product, and this cleanser is safe for sensitive skin. It's going to come out like a cream, but as you add water and agitate it, it's going to lather up into a foam, which makes it a very gentle cleansing process. So this will take off makeup, dirt, oils. It's also infused with vitamin E in here as well, but we have over 4 ounces of product here. The next item that I have is from Floss, and this is, I think it's a lip product. Cheek and lip tint, that's right. So this is a product, again, I did choose for my box. The shade that I went with is Marigo. So this is what it will be called, and it is a full-size product. I believe this is just like a balmy stick, and then you can apply this onto your cheeks or onto your lips. Oh, it's deeper than I thought. That is not at all what I was expecting. This isn't usually a shade I will go with, so I'm really surprised that I went with this one, to be honest with you. This is more of like a contour stick, in my opinion, versus a cheek and lip tint, because this is like chocolate cocoa brown. I mean, it's pretty. It's just the wrong shade for me. So I like that it's a full-size product. I'm just surprised that I went with this. Anyways, at least we got some makeup. It is a full-size product. I do think I can use it as a contour stick. I know I won't use it on my lips, but you could use this to actually contour, blend it out, and give yourself a little bit of definition. So I could still use it, just not the way that they are advertising it to be used. The next item that I have is from Percy and Reed London. It's called Hold It Right There Stronghold Hairspray. I love the name. So this is your travel size. It is a hairspray. It says, I like to stay in shape. This one will keep you in shape from dawn till dusk. It is a surprisingly strong, ultra fine hairspray. So it is a super fine mist, but it's going to hold up under heat, humidity, and it's not going to give you a crunchy hairspray feel. So it still says it's going to have natural movement. It's weightless, but apparently it has an extra strong hold. This one does sound like me. I know why I picked this, you guys, because I love hairspray. I love having volume. And the only way to maintain volume is if you have hairspray or texture spray, and especially when there's humidity outside, that will make everything go flat. So I know I chose this product because I'm obsessed with volume and this will help. I'm excited to try it only because I don't know this brand. It says it's from the UK, so it's a new brand to me. It's silicone-free, vegan, it's sulfate-free, gluten-free. I mean, it sounds like it's gonna be the perfect product, you guys. The next product that I have in here is actually a two-part. So these two came together as a set. It's from Kinder Beauty, and we have an eyeshadow cream. They're both the same product, but different shades. So this is what the jar will look like. It's an all glass jar. You can kind of see that color in there, that bronze. So this one is called Motivated Mauve, and it does have a factory seal on here, which is nice. It is cruelty free, and ooh, is it not gorgeous? Look at that gorgeous purple. And it has like a touch of golden shimmer in there. That is stunning, you guys. Okay, I really like that shade a lot. Especially if you did that like as a topper in the center of your eyelid. That'd be pretty. The next one that I have is called Proud Pink. And this one is also going to be a cream formula. And it is going to be a pink shade. It has a touch of golden shimmer in it. So again, I think it would make a great topper, and it's so cute. It's got more of a peachy pink. Like, I think there's a peachy tone in there, but I think they're gorgeous. I do like that we see different brands in here than I see in other beauty boxes. So even if you subscribe to a lot of subscription boxes, this thankfully doesn't have a lot of repeats. They have kind of their own lineup of items. So it's kind of nice just in case if you do have more than one. So my next item that I have in here is a palette. This palette is from ColourPop. What? It's the Got Me Beaming Eyeshadow, no, highlighter palette. It's a highlighter palette. I can't believe we have ColourPop in here. So this one is a pressed pigment highlighter. They are cruelty free, and this is a full-size product, you guys. This is awesome. So this is what it will look like in here. We have 4 different highlighter shades. So I love this. We've got a little bit of the white bright over here, but these two are going to be a bit warmer. This one actually has like a subtle pink shift to it. Now, in typical ColourPop fashion, I don't know why, but with all of their palettes, they always press in strangely. Do you see what I mean? That you get like, some of these have a bit of flakes. Do you see how like around the edges? It's just how ColourPop does it. When they build their palettes and they press it in, it always creates a few flakes and it looks like it's damaged, but that is just how they make these palettes. I see it every single time that I try one of their products. But this is exciting. So that is everything inside of my Birchbox for October 2024. Comment down below. Let me know, what do you guys think of this subscription box? I do love that we got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 full-size products in here. I mean, that's already amazing. Like I said, they are adding more makeup to the lineup. So I like that we're seeing this highlighter, the eyeshadow in here, the lip product, but is actually going to be a contour product. I like that too. So I like that we're getting more makeup options. It seems like they're adding more makeup as we go along. So every month I get a little bit more in my profile there to choose from. So overall, I'm pleased with this. I do feel like I have a lot of products in here. I like that they're full size. They're items that I will try out. I'm excited to see ColourPop and Dr. Brandt, like good brands. I don't know, you guys. I feel like this box, while it's not quite there yet of being like this viral beauty box, it's definitely on track, and I'm excited to see where it's gonna go. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you think. We can chit chat all about it. But again, if you are interested in purchasing this subscription box, I do have a link and a discount code all down below for you. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!